biochemical reactions are defined, at least officially, in the context of there being some kind of a membrane or cellular membrane that wraps up whatever the driver reaction would be or organic reaction would be, and it sustains itself. Now, whether those systems are going to now create colonies, as they're called, bacterial colonies as an example, and then create larger entities is really up to how each one of these emergences or instances of an emergence will express themselves. And from there on, the types of biochemical reactions within living systems that I list here, and there could be many more of, are gene to protein expression, which is how our entire bodies are built on a constant basis, in something that the world of viruses, of course, the language that the world of viruses really understands. Then we've got respiration. Every single living being on planet Earth, including us, has to breathe oxygen, in our case breathe oxygen, but it needs to have a constant sustenance of some. Respiration is just one of the examples. You can have sustenance in nutrients, which is creating energy in our systems in the form of bringing in extra functional groups and monomers, which come in the form of food. So you have to eat your proteins, and all of that comes in the form of food, which is another intake of energy. And then there's also a very important, the reason why I put nucleus formation in here, because there could be many other molecular networks that we can put in here. I'm just only putting the ones that are going to take us towards cultural systems. The molecular networks that create living systems, because this is life as we know it here. These are molecular networks involved in living systems. The ones that are involved in creating nuclei in cells has enabled creation of multicellular organisms, and a result, an emergence of animal systems that, through cellular networks and biochemical messengers, have created neural systems that went on from there to replicate themselves. So nuclear formation is one of the prerequisites for there to be culture up there, up the levels of climb that we're going through, which is this entire chart here. And we're only at the level here of nucleus formation. As if you see, I actually included those in the process of life straight up.